So Madhu, what did you like about this session?
I think it was quite nice because as business owners, we usually are giving instructions or talking to our, sales team and the rest of the team. So it's sometimes nice to just sit back and listen and get guided. It's an introspection to your own self to see how you are actually planning or strategizing and where you can be better, a lot more attentive, what you're missing out on. Sometimes you feel you know everything, but you really don't.
So what's the one thing that this will help you do different, or you do different as a result of this session?
I think definitely strategizing and planning a lot more, and being able to ask the right questions to a lot of my clients and go back and probably tell my sales team to do the same.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
What I found particularly useful here was being aware of the sales conversations that we have in our day-to-day life. For those of us who make a living through sales, you are in a situation where you are in a sales conversation and you're unaware about being in the midst of it. So it's like you're in the game, but you're not aware of your moves. So what we have understood today is being aware of them and enhancing it to a level wherein you are, I wouldn't say in control, but you're taking it to the next level of how to help the customer and thereby benefiting from it.
The key takeaway here is that, the customers also have the same pain points we have. And when you look at, selling into the private sector, which is part of the pie which we want to increase, which we are not there yet, and giving your example of, how you are giving strategic selling to C-level executives is something we didn't really think of, that yes, every private company also has to sell the way we have to sell. So touching those pain points makes us a more attractive service provider from an overall sense rather than an also me competitor. So I think that's a big distinction we got today.
See, I come from a selling background, so I've been in sales for close to 8 years now. Been to some really, really great sales trainings as well. It's always good to come and talk to you about different scenarios when I'm facing challenges. One thing that I always cherish is the guidance that you provide in terms of personalizing it in such a way that I can relate to my customer. It's important to listen to your customer. I mean, as I said, because coming from a sales background, we sometimes think that we know everything, but it's never enough it's not always about your product. It's not always about your solution. It's more about the customer. It's more about their need. So, as you always say, you have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so use it in that ratio. So 80% of the time, listen to the customer, 20% of the time, just ask the right question, which I always remember from your stories. So thank you for that.
Been in sales for 35 years, and it's always good to take time out to refresh and recharge. And Ramez, I think what you're doing here is absolutely awesome. I'm going to recommend it for my company.